Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today we're tackling a word that people often stumble over. Referral. So how do you pronounce it? Here's the correct pronunciation. Referral. Let's break it down step by step. Ruh, like the beginning of return. Fur, like the soft fur of an animal. A quick light sound at the end. Now say it with me. Ruh-FUR-uhl. One more time. Ruh-FUR-uhl. Great job. So what does referral mean? A referral is when someone recommends another person or service. For example, 1. Your doctor might give you a referral to see a specialist. 2. A friend could get a job because of your referral. 3. Businesses grow through referrals when happy customers recommend them to others. Fun fact: did you know the word referral comes from the Latin word referre, which means to bring back or to direct? So when you refer someone, you're literally sending them in the right direction. Now the spelling tip. It's spelled referral. Remember, it has double R in the middle. Now that you know how to pronounce referral, you can use it with confidence, whether you're talking about job recommendations, medical appointments, or customer referrals. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need help with their pronunciation. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care!